Good morning, everyone.
Morning. Spell naman yan, everyone.
Everyone.
Because kadali.
Everyone.
Where's the E? Kasama lang E.
Welcome to day 2 of our travel vlog here in Istanbul. So before we start our adventure, we're just going upstairs to have our breakfast. It's free. Kasama siya sa package na kinuha namin on this hotel. So the venue is in the rooftop. So as you can see, there's a lot of people already having their breakfast. So the breakfast is like a buffet. So kuha ka lang ng gusto mo. However, we decided to check the outside first because the weather is very nice. It's very warm and the view is very beautiful and breathtaking. If you're planning on traveling, I think Istanbul is one of the best travel places. It's very beautiful, as you can see on the view. So it's really warm at this time. Ganda ng view, the sunrise. So here, we already started getting our breakfast. That's Ate Tina, that's Maylin, and Elsie. There's a lot of variety of salads, veggie salads that you could choose from, a lot of cheeses as well. On the other side, there is a variety of bread and unlimited coffee and juices as well.
Ay, sorry.
We're enjoying the view while we're having breakfast. So I got eggs, veggie salads, and cheese in there. I think that's a feta cheese as well. So after we eat, lumabas lang ako again outside kasi ang ganda talaga ng view. Muni-muni. Take some videos. And then
Day 2.
our adventure started. So here, pasakay na kami sa train. Malapit lang siya. Nilakad lang namin from accommodation
Picture, hindi ako makapicture like
to here. And then our first location is at Galata Tower, I think. So magte-train lang kami until the station na malapit doon, and then we need to walk again. So ang alam ko, we changed plan for today kasi dapat ang pupuntahan namin una is the Blue Mosque. However, it's Friday, so sarado yung mosque for until 3 p.m. I think, bago ko pwedeng pumasok sa loob. So naisipan namin na pumunta na lang sa Galata Tower. So this is Michael and MJ. Nandyan si Elsie, si Maylin, and si Ate. We're just walking around yung sa parating kami sa tower. So halos paakyat lahat ng daan, as in pataas talaga siya, nakakapagod. Pero ang ganda ng view. So yeah, it's worth it.
Hi. We're going up. Very steep. Ang lugar nila. Diyos ko, pagod na ako, guys.
So this is the Galata Tower. Yung tower na yan, tinatawag nilang Galata Tower. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. If you want to go inside of the tower, may entrance fee. Gusto sana naming umakyat, but ang haba ng pila, kaya sabi namin wag na lang. So dito sa kabilang side ng tower, there's a lot of restaurant, coffee shop, where you can buy the famous San Sebastian cheesecake. Para siyang fluffy cheesecake, I think, with the chocolate on top. Well, nakita ko sa mga social media na this place is where best to eat it. Because you have the view of the tower while eating it. Kaya lang, hindi namin naranasan because there's a lot of people. So here naman, naghanap lang sila ng magandang view of the tower na pwedeng magpa-picture.
Fine.
Dami talagang shop dyan. There's hindi lang coffee shop yung nandun. Meron ding mga souvenir shops. Tapos may mga Christmas lights as well. And restaurants. So here, naglalakad lang muna kami. Hindi pa ata sila gutom. So hindi pa sila naghahanap ng foods. I think, mga alas 2 na to ng...
Sino may
Alauna
kasalanan?
or alas 2 ng hapon. So ito, paakyat na naman kami. Pagod na si
Sabi
Maylin.
kasi mag-Taksim Square tayo.
I think we're going to the high street at this point. So, naglalakad lang kami. Explore the area. So, while papunta doon, I think they call the high street place in there as the Istiklal Avenue. It's where the historical red and white tram is located. So this is the place that I'm talking about. From there, there's a lot of high-end shops in here, like the LC Waikiki, Zara brands, Arab brands, as well as Nike outlets and other shops. And then while walking, nakita namin tong Watson. Nakala ko sa Pilipinas lang may Watson. But as you can see, there's also Watson here in Turkey. Specifically in Istanbul. I don't know if there's more around the area. It's mostly the same, the product, like shampoos, makeups. The only thing is, wala atang pharmacy sa loob. Hindi ko na napansin. And here naman is the famous red drum. They call it historical kasi parang oldest drum, I think. And then, habang naglalakad, nakita namin tong church, which is called the Saint Anthony of Padua Church. Pumasok kami to check and to pray as well. We are very thankful for all the opportunity that God's giving us. Especially for me, kasi pangarap ko lang siya talaga noon. I mean, this is my biggest dream to travel. Now, I'm living the life. So, I'm very, very thankful to God. And nag-pray lang kami. And then, nagtirik ng kandila after. Si ate din nagtirik ng kandila.
Kapit ka LC para pag umandar sama. Hoy, group pic na muna. Ay, walang camera, hayop pa. Ito na.
Mukha daw Malaysian si Michael.
After nun, ito ko na naman kami naglalakad, exploring the area. So may nakikita ako mga brands dito like the brand in Saudi as well.
What's the
And then
verdict?
sinubukan to ni Michael yung burger nila. Authentic shawarma burger, sabi nila. So tinanong ko,
Hindi sila
they said it's okay.
Kasi
Pero mas masarap pa din ang Angel's Burger sa Pilipinas.
Gusto mo yan ka pa ba ng barya? Less than 1 pop and 1 pop.
Bakit ganyan ang itsura mong kumakain? Masarap ba? Tara.
Ate, may Sephora.
So here, madaming nagbebenta ng chestnut, roasted chestnut at saka mais na inihaw. First na trinay nila Maylin bumili. So nakitikim din ako. Masarap pala siya. Nagustuhan ko siya. Gusto ko bumibili lagi after nun. So ang presyohan nila dyan is per gram. So usually, ang pinibili namin is 100 gram for 100 as well. 100 Turkish lira. Marami na din siya. For sharing na din. Pero kung gusto mo talaga siya, kulang.
Chestnut.
And also, dito sa Turkey, there's a lot of baklava. That's their famous sweet treat. Kaya lang, napakatamis talaga niya. I like it, but not na I will eat it a lot kasi sobrang tamis talaga niya. So here, we're walking again.
Minor
Malapit na kami
daw.
sa may dagat nila, sa may station ng mga ferry kasi pupunta kami siya ng Asian side. So, Istanbul has two sides, the European one kung nasaan kami, and then the Asian side. So here naman, nakakita ko ng mga hamama, mga maya, ibon. Gusto ko sana yung effect na lumilipad sila pag napunta ako doon. Kaya nagpa-video ako kay Michael, pero ayaw nilang lumipad. Kailangan pa silang takutin bago lumipad. So here is the waterfront na malapit sa terminal. Punta tayo doon, guys. Sa kabilang side, still Istanbul, but the Asian side, and we're in the European side. So here, we use again our Istanbul card. We swipe it. I think it's around 75 Turkish lira yung pamasahe ng ferry. Naghihintay lang kami in the station. I think that station is from Iminono to Kadikoy. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the place right. Pero yun natin yung pupuntahan namin sa Asian side is Kadikoy area. So yan nga, nakasakay na kami ng ferry, papunta na kami. We decided to go upstairs of the ferry kasi mas maganda yung view doon. Ang biyahe ata will take 20 minutes if I'm not wrong. So, meron din silang pwede kang bumili ng tea dito sa loob ng ferry. Snacks if you want as well.
Aray.
Picture-picture lang kami dito sa may sign na Istanbul. First time namin nakikita ng Istanbul sign kasi wala dun sa may part ng European side. So, nandito na kami sa may Asian side. Pero, just a dumb thinking, I think. Wala akong makitang Asia. So, yun nga. After nun, pumasok lang kami dyan sa may Starbucks. Ang taas nga ng Starbucks nila. One of the thing as well na napansin ko is yung mga fast food nila is until 3rd floor or 4th floor. Ang tataas talaga. I don't know why. Pero naghahanap na kami ng kakainan. So, naisipan namin kumain sa isang Korean restaurant. So, naglalakad lang kami to find it. Mga 7 minutes according to Google Maps.
Hanap kami ng kakainan.
So, ito na nga, nahanap na namin yung Korean restaurant. Maganda yung vibe niya. Korean talaga. Nag-order lang kami ng bibimbap at saka sweet and chili chicken. Korean chicken. Ano yung vibe ng resto? Tsaka lahat ng tugtog nila is Korean as well. Pero mostly, ang mga kumakain is, you know, Turkish. Wala talaga akong mahanap na Korean o Asian. Kahit mga server nila, hindi mukhang Asian. Well, for me.
Bakit masakit pa din yan?
Naano nyo? Nasuklay ba?
Hindi, sumabit yung tag.
Nagkikrave kayo ng mais?
Here naman, bumili sila ng mais. Well, usually, di ba ang mais, nilalagay mo ng cheese, barbecue, ganon, na powder. Here, di ba sa kanila, may asin, plain na asin lang, may suka, tapos may mga spices din sila. Well, for me, it's weird, kasi hindi ko nasanayan, but maybe it's normal for them.
Butter, salt, spices, sauces, but no cheese.
I'm soy and salt. Can I have one with the salt? The 50 only.
Spicy.
No. Salt.
Middle salt.
Salt.
Butter.
Yes.
Ang gusto ko numero mo eh.
So, medyo madilim na around the area. Pero nag-explore lang kami. Maganda kasi yung street nila, madaming bilihan. Pero, ang napansin ko, mas madaming bilihan sa dito sa area na to. Ang Asian side ng mga Christmas decoration. Syempre, nandun pa din yung mga sweets nila like baklava. Pero, yun nga, napansin ko. Mas maraming Christmassy area. More Christmassy on this side compared to the other one. Siguro mas madaming Muslims doon sa kabilang side compared to here.
Chocolate, man. Chocolate. Chocolate.
So, bago kami umuwi, naisipan namin ulit dumaan dito sa may nadaan namin kanina ng mga sweets. So, bumili sila ng take-out. Nakatikman nila. Masarap siya. There's a strawberry biscuits, coated chocolate, mga ganun. Tapos dumaan din kami dito sa may anime store, tsaka sa ibang bilihan. We just check it out before we go home.
Reindeer. Ayaw nga. Cute oh. May boobs pa siya. Kahoy kasi.
So here, nakasakay na kami sa ferry. This is the end of my day 2 travel vlog here in Istanbul. See you on day 3. Thank you for watching.